Alright, hey everyone. So today I wanted to show everyone how to make clothespin dragonflies. And this also is in our activity kit for this week. So you'll have instructions, all the supplies on how to make it. So first off, we're going to start with our clothespin. So it says that you're going to go ahead and draw some stripes on it. So you're going to design it however you would like it to be. So I'm going to use blue. And I'm going to just draw some lines on there real quick. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just do it the way that you want. Alright, so I put stripes on my clothespin, and then also I'll go over what's in the kit. So we have pipe cleaners. You have googly eyes, so I have some here, they're a little small. Then clothespin, and then you can use paint or markers for your clothespin, and then you'll need some type of glue. Okay, so you have all these supplies except for the markers in your kit. So then next, so once I went and drew lines on there, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put glue for my googly eyes. So you're going to want to do that right at the tip. It might be a little messy, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. So I put glue on there. You're going to go ahead and stick the googly eyes on there. This may take a minute. And I think smaller the eyes is easier to stick on there, but we're just going to try it. Alright. So I have my googly eyes on there with my stripes. Now the next step is you're going to take your pipe cleaners and you're going to make the wings for your clothespin dragonfly. So what the instructions say, you take it and you take your edges and you just put it right into the middle like that. And then you're going to go ahead and just twist the pipe cleaner together to make your wings. So you're going to do that. And then you're going to take your second one, do the same thing. Edges to the middle. Alright, and then we're going to twist it together. And it doesn't have to be perfect. Right, so then once you have your wings ready, you're going to go ahead and put them in your dragonfly. So we're going to go ahead, open that up, put your wings in there. Alright. Okay, so we have them in there. If you want to drag, go ahead and glue your wings, you can. But this is what you will have at the end. So go ahead and try it, and then feel free to post any videos or pictures that you have to our Give Every Child a Chance website and show us the projects that you do with the activity kits or anything else that you do. Alright, have fun.